How to promote your Amazon.com affiliate links on Pinterest.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest.com. So for today's video, we're going with hobby and craft supplies niche. So we hit search. So this method is based on finding posts related to the products that we are going to choose and taking that post and re-uploading it on our account and adding our link or our affiliate link to that post so that everyone clicks on that link, we get a commission from his purchase. So let's get into it and let's see if you can find some good posts on Pinterest. So here we have a lot of posts. Let's see if we can find something that includes a product that we can find on Amazon.com. Craft supplies. So let's see if we can find anything. So we're still looking if we can find some product that is available on Amazon.com. So still looking. Let's check this one. You can find this one on Amazon for sure. So let's see if we can find this one on Amazon. But I don't think so. Let's check for other. Let's look for other products and see if we can find. Let's change the keyword hobby and craft supplies. We'll keep looking. Let's go with this one. It's from Amazon.com themselves. Let's see if we can find anything else from Amazon. So that's the only thing I was able to find. So let's go with it. Let's click on it. Let's download this image. Then let's open to create our post. We go to Pinterest. We click on create new. We drop the image that we uploaded here. Then we add a title. We'll just copy the title from this page like this. Let's take just half of it, copy, and let's leave it here. Then let's add our description. So it's a very long description. Let's make sure we take all of that. It took a lot. So that's it. We copy and we drop it on the description section. So they see that it's a very long description. Let's cut it until it fits. So this fits. This is just an example, guys. Make sure to write everything right, the title, description also. So for me, I'm just giving you an example and I'm just explaining the idea. And for link, you go to Amazon, we look for this product, we click on the link and we look for that particular product. Here it is. We close this one. And we will take the link of the product from here. Just wait for the website to complete its loading. We wait for the loading to complete. When it's completed, we click on text, and this is our link. We take that link and we add it here. Then we make sure we add a lot of tags to help the post reach a lot of people and to make it viral. So let's check for tags that related to our niche. So let's type some keywords to get some tags like a hobby, Hobby Lobby decor. So after hitting publish, the post will be created, and this is how your post looks like. This is its information and everything about the post, and this is the post, and this is some post similar to your post. So that's the idea, guys. I hope you understand the method. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.